Once we have created a vertical alignment, a horizontal alignment and an assembly, the last step in creating our road design is to create a corridor. So basically to dynamically link all of the individual elements of our road to form one linked design. In order to do this, we go to our ribbon and we select the Corridor tab and Create Corridor. The first thing we have to do is to select the baseline alignment, i.e. the horizontal alignment that we created originally. Once we have selected the correct alignment, we hit OK and it asks us to select the profile that we are going to use for our particular corridor. And finally it asks us to select the assembly which we're going to link together with the vertical and horizontal alignments. Once we have the three items selected, we can see in front of us a Create Corridor box comes up. Once we go into this, we can set the targets. The purpose of setting the targets is to ensure that our cut and fill and our daylight meet the correct surfaces. In this case, the surface that we want our targets to meet is the ground surface that's existing on site. So we select the target for both of the sides of the road to meet our surface, and we select OK and select OK again. Then we can observe the fact that our horizontal alignment has now changed from just being a single line and is now represented by a corridor instead. In order to check the parameters of the corridor, we want to identify some of the most important aspects of it, so the cut and fill location, and we can do that by modifying the corridor properties. In order to do that, we want to add slope pattern features onto our particular design. We can select the target line of the road corridor line and we select where that corridor intersects with our surface, and we can repeat this for the other side of the road. Once we have that process completed, we will see that the surface will update. Once the surface has updated, it will now show our cut and fill features identified by the conventional tadpole symbol that's used to identify cut and fill across the sector. That completes our corridor design for our road.